reason why you try to make this video wo maka nwa binga nwa busi nke asị na ya na ha mmiri ama mo nwa handle ọ no nwa handle tag ya bịa ebe a asị na onye dibia amala kwa ndị dibia o yedago amala ka ndị dibia ka akwọ mu isi enwe ekwa akụ mu isi isi ya ni na da work ma ndị na-eje ebe ụzọ gbara no chụ aja ha na-achụ isi ma da work ma ndị na-eti preach na calabash you know they work yedago ma ndị na-eje arụsị ewo go keje na arụsị kwa afam send them the video you know they work on my old page called yedago abụrụ ma na oriri only ma handle nwa busua ma bingo si na ga ha mmiri ita agara me eba biko piara maka na share to share this video ekere go moon good morning good afternoon good evening no go reply you know send press your share button and also press your love and like. We rise by lifting others. So actually, all you have to want busua. Also na village have village onto. But one busua onto. Also na village have village onto. Kamala godi obo eje ha mmiri. Achọrọ m ka ọ hara m mmiri na dry season. Yetago. Achọrọ ọ hara m mmiri na dry season. Also na ha mmiri achọrọ ọ hara na dry season. Anyway, let me come up here also. Reason why I made this video, I'm going to make a video concerning this program that is about to host in Ngor-Okpala. Please, I am begging everybody that's watching me now. After all, from the class, when you were schooling, did you see me in your class? No. Am I your classmate? No. So if I speak English, cut and joy, take it like that. So the reason why I am making this video this moment is because of the program that is about to start in Ngor-Okpala, Imo State. I am pleading, I am begging everybody. Una fugoka chugusu etopụta this nwabusu. Osi na na agwo na mmiri ga han ezugida de onye na ga anu mmiri. Oki ifuru osi ekwu ihe a ka ha sibokwa under plan. Definitely they have another plan because all chukwu tụpụtara ya o wee make this utterance na ya ga-aha mmiri ị na-aha mmiri n'udu mmiri why not ịha mmiri n'ọkọchị so definitely ị ga Ngor-Okpala ịkwanyere onwe gị ugwu yedago nọ na Zion Grand ịnọ na Zion Grand egbe na-egbe ya bịa buru gị ya egbe na-ebu ọkụkọ ya bịa buru na Zion Grand they not born any egbe to come to Zion Grand bịa buru gị and not to na anya that Zion family have many enemies. Jaka develop enemies to themselves. You know, so many of them have Igbo. Oburo money, boy. You know, blessed Wednesday, chime. Blessed Wednesday, chime. How you day? Thank you. So you know as Zion Grand, be mindful of what you came there to do. Obri no kate is a maple. And when the toilet is there, Obri they see Kegana bush na inyo bush na toka. Big auntie Stella Maris Amaka, good evening ma. I don't natural Olila my auntie. Born all one of them. So Obura boy put that he have a toilet. Is it in a like in a bush, general store atoka. You gotta go. It was a man na southeast. In Kemalona side the many people after skeleton in the muddy. More than 40 something skeleton in the muddy. Ni mafia. And when you get a Nigerian news. You maho. Na busua which idea you gotta go so we are very careful ana ere mmiri ni Zion ana ere ni Zion And a big restaurant there, and a small restaurant, toilet there, hotel there, provision shop is there. So when you got trouble outside, what are you in a trap outside? You might hit my cabin on a bar. A finish here, a mature, but definitely I was a late, but I get don't be in a haste to go. Don't be in a hurry to take off. Come down, relax. Come in get take it off later. Me mature, or come me no abasa in never no get. Come in get chabasa in never na bani, mo never na mbede. Or come man no, I was come 2 days program, the third one in never no tutu. Is going on nigga the mecha, you know the mecha ela chifo you go. You gotta go. I am just begging everybody, I like it. And my stories. I will not be happy. I am a person that values people's life. I count people's life one. I don't know what they're getting me. Every for more. I mind people's life. I'm a mind as in on the wutem masin and money war. Not we get I'm on your war, but only wutem oversee Junior Pope. I shed tears. Junior Pope was on Ebel Mapam, I am total not one mono. You gotta go. I am such person. So that's the reason why I am begging everybody, because everybody is important. You are my family, I am your family. I don't live a life of I don't care. I don't live a life of it doesn't concern me. Is he my sister? Is he my brother? Is he my mother? Is he my father? No. You are my sister, you are my brother, you are my father, you are my mother. So please, I am begging you. Uno is very important to me. Uno is very important to me. Very, very much important. Actually, Uno guy here no do no, but upon do no, I am one way. We'll be very happy. I'll be very happy seeing my family dancing. We are dancing in the Lord every day. We are dancing in the Lord. Dancing in the Lord, we are dancing in the Lord every day. Dancing in the Lord, we are dancing in the Lord every day. Oh, we are dancing in the Lord every day. Hey, we are dancing in the Lord every day. We are dancing in the Lord. This shaking, I'm shaking. We are dancing in the Lord every day. We are dancing in the Lord every day. We are dancing in the Lord every day. You gotta go. So that is the thing. I love being happy. When I also hear that memo, man, not happy. Only God have naga. It always sound like this. Yeah, divine, you are welcome. Nah. No, so you are welcome. Can work opportunity here. We advertise here my business. You need a CCTV camera. You need the street lights. You contact me. We'll do the well bill in any part of Nigeria for you. You gotta go. Then I went Siena 2005 accident free. I went Siena 2005 accident free. American spec. When RS 2015 model. American spec also. So please don't miss it. Try every possible means and mount CCTV camera in your home, in your business, in your company. Is very important. You gotta go. Let us do the right thing at the right time. Let us do the right thing at the right time. Mount all street lights in your home. Summon courage and do it. It might be costly, or it might be, how will I say, it might be hard for you. But try and mount CCTV camera and solar lights. It's very important. Okay, save, look more cost. Here they go. You check here, go ne. As you want to solar light in your compound, you will enjoy it. Thank you very much. Godson. God bless you. Thank you very much. God saying you are going to bless me this night. You're going to bless me this night. Yes. Ouna si juwa. Ouna samna go. Omari gure gusi owu sagi ega mari fe owu sagi ega nke na samna de egwu nke na simu afọ self. So somebody should bless me this night. Now he's getting remember. So what am I trying to say? Please try every possible means and mount CCTV camera in your house and solar lights. Yes, for your good, for the family, for your good, for the good of your family. All very important. Just chat me with my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is there. Chat me up. Tell me how many pieces you want. Send me the address where I will be late. I will deliver. If you want 1 pieces, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces, 20 pieces, call on me. I will deliver. Don't be afraid of transferring money to me. But before you transfer money to me, call me video call. If you are not seeing this phone, just if you are not seeing this phone, no transfer. But if you call me and see this phone and this my handsome face, you transfer. I'm very handsome. I'm a handsome guy. All I'm putting the room where I actually never see, never guy. Here they go. I just the do guy. I do guy yo. And secondly, even I wear your cousin. I want this the ego. I'll make your cousin. Here they go. As he they Johnny believe he had half. Yeah, Johnny believe he had half. On a half motor. On a half motor. Hana say I wish now we Joe. Here they go. Adam ka mangala oboroko if you go oboroko that's why if you see me live that's why I dey Adam go oboroko mangala here they go anu adom na ho so ogbogbo I want meet now if Muslim can come 2 years here they go that's why I be mana na ga go ta still ụmụ nwanyị ha na-adapụ here they go ha na-ayọ Hana yom simungwa okay sigodim high jelabari this slim easy je Johnny believe here na je jo ha go na ha na gym je go dey ham ihe ha na anu ha we sleep for that dey reading myself I wa chubu nyere na azi I wa chubu nyere just natural slim fit chubu just jide mu no miam go oroko mi cham no go oroko ahom ni na wa okpo here they go. We see any go top I have a different creation. We see any go top some guy was here. How Moses here that I didn't know the never had. How Moses said that I know that never had. Here they go. Rudian Niama. If I from the car, I from Bolin. Rudian Niama. Mary on Niama. See what I go. So I want nothing to lose. Here to go. Abuma de since. Or do the poor people. iro m nso enwe m ọdọ maka na ebu ha m ibu. So that's the thing. All the people see them. All the them not even na over the age of miano. Mira. Pom ndiko gwazu. Ndika mangala. We go boloko. You want boloko na togurugo. Don't worry. Mmegoti akagosi unu. O boloko na togurugo. O boloko bi mia. Get up ogurugo no Igbo. Stop fish. I'm about stop fish na togurugo. Stop fish na togurugo. And ime chai ota. Me ostaya me oto akande. Like I won't be able. Don't be joke. That's why I be. You gotta go attack and every go be in Pusiri. Come on, my piano, at one now. No way. You know, I was going to come. I look at it in a way before. Every go be in Pusiri. Come on, maybe no way. Chapa. Ademuka Oguroko. Amina. Okay, the CCTV camera 3 faces 85,000. Why 2 faces 75,000? You can chat me on my WhatsApp. Here they go. So that can they. So now I like this. But I never see who buy motor, public motor like this. They believe yes, don't come. But they they believe it, but I ocean dollar. But them the animate. Ewamo. I dey cheat member public vehicle. I dey jibu. I do some motor. If you say I don't come 15 years. Uta miss the sim. I was go go antoro. Here na fumanya till the na. It's not my fault. You know. Oh, to choose scam and I like it because it's scam. Many people now hana pura like this. Do people have and I never you want to jump my mojo wedding. Every year people are on the room. You went never that thing. Oh, I have video TV in Europe. Here they go. Otan na student page, almost school. Man, I did one. I didn't know there. Makandilota, and no back or ndoka, and no back or chamfa. Those are not. If student bed like Ndilota must have packed like this. I'm comfortable. And I'm using Abasaramakamu no bear. Abasaramakamu no bear. Abasaramakamu no bear. Onye chore bataya bata. So, and I'm going to Ngoro. I'm not too cheap because I'm going to mobile arm. So, hearing a better mego. Okay, CCTV camera 3 face is 85,000. Why 2 face is 75,000? My WhatsApp is there. Chat me up. Let's do business. I'll deliver it. I want a street light. You go. Man to wear is good for you. You go. Okay, save many things. If you have almost as good as you go in. If you have almost as you go in. Ndabo kia my face. God bless big man. Obiora Oba Hakide. Oh, money. Don't worry, your own supposed to give you camera driver. This is my big brother Goromu camera. Ogom camera go more 4. Sorry, Oko 3. Go camera 2. So the web here. Emilia on Sunday, but they didn't move on Monday because of sit at home. But they move with that. Bump or driver also had no driver. Also had no Bini bypass. So after this life with the map where Mama over skill, I want to go to skill. So then I will contact you on your WhatsApp. So I should go to Ngor-Okpala. Said that I go to have my dinner. Send them a good, send them a good na. Egomotabium. Yota. Voice, can give me. Are you there? I'm the only Jew. LPL. I don't understand. Anyway, I love my people and my people love me. That is me for you. So, Agent Ngor-Okpala, be very careful. I keep on standing this morning. Be very careful. I think at this junction I will dance. I want to dance for you people. Should I dance? Juliet, Juliet inafuna zuzo. Get this man on my wife and then so you are monitoring spirit. Abi, you are monitoring spirit, Abi. You are monitoring spirit. Hey, children, better. Children, better. May God have mercy on me. Yes. Onye mmejọrọ gbagharụ m. Onye mmejọrọ gbagharụ m inugo. Ịchọ na anyị ga-adị na mma. Enyokwazị na omume m agaghị m enyukwa nke go. Ụsọ bụ eleta aghara. Eleta aghara ya bụ ụsọ. Onye mejọrọ ibe ya. Onye mejọrọ gbagharụ. Ụsọ bụ eleta aghara. Eleta aghara ya bụ ụsọ. Onye mefere ibe ya. Onye mejọrọ gbagharụ. Ụsọ bụ eleta aghara ahụ. Nwanne na nwanne na-adị mma. Eleta aghara ahụ. Di na nwunye na-adị mma. Eleta aghara ahụ. Kọstọma na sela na-adị mma. Eleta aghara ahụ. Eleta aghara. Ụsọ bụ eleta aghara ahụ. Angọrụ na-egbu ọzọ. Also, you dey whine me even with your face and much headaches. The art. Let them check your mouth corresponding with the voice. Then it's really Igbo one. I want to tell you how I did yourself. I'm not going to help you. I did go to school. Ndị siri na-ata afụ na public vehicle ọ bụ ha were m ha kwado m n'isi aja ha na-asị m ọ ga shift na a na-epush na-akpọ m n'isi aja kwado m ebe ahụ ndị gbadị buru ibu ha kwadosi m ike ebe a hit na-esu Chineke mere m ebere ka ngote moto Chukwu mere m ebere ka ngote moto ka ngote moto ihe ndị a na-eme m na public vehicle ya Chineke God enwere ebe njere igo ihe so obere space ka m chọrọ ịbanye so ya shift ya ọsị m ka eke ihe ji sim shift ya ọ gara ebe a ihe ka onye arịrị anyway I'm stopping here ka nkene bụ ọga m ọzọ Obiora Oba Hakede. Hey. Obiora Oba Hakede. Wosu onyeka kime good evening. Chukwu na-edumi je ndebisi. That one them. I greet you. I greet you. I greet you all. Uche Zion, thank you very much. I like you also. Thank you very much. Yeah, good evening, my brother. I see your post. I'm a few your post. The magneto on. And one of that one. Because you want that magneto on. The alone in there. May God bless every one of us here. Send a message. Look funny. Anyway, I'm stopping here. Ebuka Victor Kime. Ebuka Victor Kime. Yeah, one of my eyes are called. Every day, I'm very distracted. Respect you, say my pocket, I'm not malady. What am I guys be now? I come along now. Why don't you go? Don't distract me here. Hey, it is not brother Nchedo Chukwu Solomon. Nah, transport money. I'm going to transport money. I'll be happy. From here now to Igboland East. By GUO. I'm going to for something thousand. But I'm going to for something thousand. At least. Many need 150,000. Going and coming back. How about those? I give me a good evening, many need 150,000 for going and coming back. Yeah, so I would hear you come to 150,000 for transport. Why they got from here to go? Yeah, you will see me live. I don't believe fake life. I'm a book. I am cutting my coat according to my height. This time around, I am cutting my clothes according to my size. Give me. Otagi gwara m nkwa ịchọghị imeze nchedo. Nchere ibukata m nkwa ịchọghị imeze ukwu gwara m. Johnson Chukwu Ebuka si mu oga get out. Okay, I should get out. Make I get out now. I don't get out. Make I come in. Okay. I don't come in. Get out that day so open. Get out that day so open. Oh yeah, window to Matthias. Oga get out. Window to Matthias. Nde Arobunago na Amadioha. Arobunago. How many can you have with him? He had a other room now. Hana Cosion. What I go? Mapusiaba. Onye chọrọ inye m inye iji wee moto ka ọ gawa ahịa inye m afọ m kwere ka ịha I don't live fake life ndị ebe a na-eme big boy my destiny help of gafe ọsị iji ụwa nightmare Haters of Zion. Okay, all right. I'll tell you, choose Franklin. Thank you very much. So here, Chork, I'm there. It's me, you. I said, the account number. 450,000. Hey! I want to move, bro. How about those who see I need the transport? Even now, your transport. How about those who see I need transportation money? Hey! How about those who if you are Juliet Joy Abasi, good evening, my guy. You always come to my live video, you don't comment. Manda bicho bodo Igbo. After an exhaustion, Ijomia, after an exhaustion, also I need 700,000 for transport money. 700,000. Yeah. Or China get your leg. How about those? Ha. How about those or China get your leg? Manda bicho America, nda bicho bodo Igbo, ana enegi. The world for any negi. And I watch it, Mama. He was scammer. He wait for one and I watch it. If they gonna watch an new no, can't say no money there. And then you Chamaka came a good evening. And then you come on, you to fear. You put no more Chideka, Pulu Paneno. Even the other name more Chineka, Pulu Paneno. In no more Chuba, Pulu Paneno. I will need no more Chineka, Pulu Paneno. In no more Chineka, Pulu Paneno. I'm about to I'll give you the benefit of money this slave. You put no more Chineka, Pulu Paneno. 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 Ah, Chineka, better. Aha, ndo tumutaya sabia. Eze Igbo. Chino social for where to wear. Chino's off from China to Nigeria for 700,000. Yeah. I'm stopping here because I don't have. I'm stopping here. I don't have much data. Let me carry my head and the rest. Here you go. I don't go by myself. Yes, I'm from here. What busu? Let picture. I'm from what busu? All right. Thank you very much, my people. I love you all. Sincerely. The way you are following me, the way you are sharing my video, the way you are commenting, the way you are liking. Where am I having to go? How about those who come back? How about the market? I love all of you with the love of Christ. Here they go. love of Christ. This year, everybody that's watching me will see the end of this year. Everybody is going to see the end of this year, and this year will never see your end. Also, I cancel Nchekube Oban from Amafieke Olu will deal with me. It's a bad run now. Bogota Lagos. Bogota Lagos. Bogota Lagos, I need the address. Mpolo my bag here, na third Maryland Bridge. The longest bridge in the whole Africa. Mpolo go about 20 minutes. Yota. Nchekube Kesele. Please say that you deal with me, Bogota Lagos. Bogota Lagos, I chat time over Bulugi. Put on a third Maryland Bridge. Nabani. I think you never turn home to the dinner. What I was here. After 2 days, after 3 days, say, no, really, a room jet to fool. So, obviously, you deal with me, Bogota Lagos. Now, much of the you must stay to Bun, and children and natural. So, go watch Columbia Lagos. Everyone will go now. As I have work it, get ready. Have work it. Have work it Bogota Lagos. Have work it Bogota Lagos. You need him walk, you need him man to man. Have walk one. Have walk one. Reserve walk one for any other. Be a man to man. Can't take on a third Maryland Bridge. If they have an apple, I'm not going to go see here. I'm not to him ever. I don't know. I don't remember. I'm taking on to nobody is taking him out about how we. You go. You never do but forever. Imana. Hey, don't worry. Your medicine. I'm going to see. Yeah. I'm going to see. I don't show my children on Facebook. Thank you very much, Martha. Today see my video. Thank you very much. God bless you for watching my video. Follow me and share. You see her? You cannot see it. Felicia, you cannot see her face. That one. Do like this. Felicia, you see her? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Go away. All right, Mark 7 day 1. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nchekube Kinsele, Bogota Lagos, so that you can be able to deal with me very well. But I'm feeling Bogota Lagos. One day we have been aga. The only go one. You want your ATM. Then near key shop. Says anything now, very difficult. You want to settle lawyer, cause they are very easy. And Iwaha, post tagging. There is my post. Yeah, picture is my post tagging. A choice them never deal. You come to Lagos and come and deal with me. You go. My just blue route Uber. I never thought Maryland Bridge. or bring to Lucky Beach. I look at I know that place. Up and there, get 10. I put you give me about. Mire blue, for what? You never get it. You dealing with me. I'm not gonna deal with me. I'm gonna try to say that you deal with me. So what? You could take on. I'm gonna let people happy. Please, that other boy up there, who is he and what is he doing there, or what has he done? Oh, that you be here. I'm stopping here. I'm stopping here because it was MD. Who made me go MD? You drink MD? How about you? I am free. I'm a figure with the high people. Also with the high people. Okay? No problem now. Go see me your picture now. What's our picture? Can do dog at Chicharo the house. So one of our compound man free and a church. I'll go to the English state. So we want to go with yourself. Actually, goes to be a Kimakowa. As I want to try to keep it. I'm stopping here, man. Isiaki. 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 All right. Thank you very much. I'll stop here. Or any other camera, chat me up on my WhatsApp. Make your payment, we'll deliver it. In the Sienna 2005 model, American spec. Accident free. 2 power door, power boots is available. Very neat. Catalyst had intact. Any day arrest 2015. Catalyst had intact. We are good to go. You need to go Honda Pilot 2014. You need to go ML 350 010. Chat me up. Obi Ohago. No, the guy also not got hamily. The guy no knows not got ham, no got hand design on milli. They go be a fee. Obi Ohago. Good evening, Sakaki. Where are you watching me from? Go on, to be here. Women are every day. Mori Remi Ogini. Mori Remi Nabongo every day. Obu ni nwere ego, ri ego kete dị ndụ. Okay, chat anum na WhatsApp. Oh, Obioha. I will chat him na WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is there. Can reply again. It's accident free. Custom duty here. The very okay. I didn't compromise. I did not compromise. I put custom duty off, man. I didn't compromise. All start and drive. One touch. You zoom off. You get go. It's accident free. I'm gonna give the VIN number. You can Google it. If I give you the VIN number, Google it. If not, whenever one accident, you get go. Power door. You press here. The door. I'm a pair. Two door. You press here. Boot. I'm a pair. Automatic doors. Automatic boots. And the DVD up there. You get go. So with alloy rim. You get go. So it's good to go. Okay, they're going to go back on Tuesday. Can I be busy? You busy in Nigeria? So that's the thing. Contact me, chat me up for your CCTV camera, for your solar lights, street lights, for your eyeglass camera. And when eyeglass camera, kiri anya maka police. Sorry harass again. Itinye camera, anya, on a record all the harassment. Gab was it phone, but you phone and apogia. But it's that eyeglass, also it 1 year on ever. Bam. When I record it, put it in the I have it. You need to say at 05, I have it. Here they go. You need the RS 350, 2015 model. I get them. You need the Honda 014. I get them. ML 350, Hotel. I get them. Here they go. Now by this week, and when I see my market, yes, and when I see my market, Obun in a Christmas, on each of the going to boon rice, we don't get go ya. Here they go. Him one I like he go him burger. I don't know the reason why. We don't get go ya. Man, he do easy. Ndigbo like he go rice in burger alone. He go burger alone. He will then go. Many people try to go camera. People are buying. Some people are telling me, "Don't worry, I'll get back to you when I come back and that." Even a bit. On our talk next month now, fear. You know. On our talk next month now, fear. Wow, the camera is here. You know. But he needs the camera need your. By that time, okay, here go. Because now. I have stock many goods. So buy it was them same each one we start at 5,000 and I'm saying the money here. You know, my money is at 120. You know, no 70,000 buy. Why he goes here 70,000. Kita ne rock at 5,000. It's all you get. Kita ne No, I've said something about it. I've said something about it. The young man who no do also got hands on me. That's the reason why his picture is here. Also get me Ebuka Obi here. Oh, that's right. Open me now. So I'm going to my business. You know. You know, so why you know using because you were managing the better, since the better idea. So Actually go here use the credit. Go here now. Oh, when you need the rice, Nigerian foreign, contact me. Now, you go here now. It's America way bill to your village. It's go here, Debia, in a Tiburu. You're going to get Tiego. Another smooth now, I say Tiego, or Fio. You know, I'm a smooth now, Fio. So you go rice, go here now. You need here, you contact me. You go. Camera, go here now. Before my man now, get Tiego. Camera before, I'm going to go and get our OT and the camera before. Go on area. Take people go for the bar. It don't people can they go here. So I won't in a quarter in my wedding, more about wine. Go here about a wedding now. Go and debe. You gotta go. None of you become Malagama. Come go Yuka. As long as he be abroad, listen to me. Everyone that get trust to send the area go he get used now. I don't want to how he get $2 bata. This is the $1,000, $2,000, $10,000. They go there. I'll give a leg about Nigeria. You were $10,000 about Nigeria. Yeah? Unless you want your really or you want a project. I'll get you a guy here and go 1 month to chop your actual. 1 month. You know what does it? Take us again. Things are costly now. So go here now. By the time I have a next month, or may increase. You have to go. Something we see go now. In our boy, up as next month, or you go times 2. You want option. And again. Oh, I'm gonna stop here. Thank you and God bless you. You need to chat him on WhatsApp. Let's do business. You don't have many bags each other. You don't have many bags each other. Very soon now. This Thailand fish, yabata. You know. So when in the Thailand, also, very soon yabata, I'll tell you people. But now Nigerian foreign rice, they're available. Contact me. I will stop here. Thank you and God bless you. I want you to email transport in the Ngor-Okpala. Bye bye.